You're chasing after it. Oh.
Pull it. Oh. You almost had it. See, when it goes down like that, you gotta be ready. Wait. When it goes down, pull back. Got him?
Oh, I think I
Got him? Stand up. Got him? Look what you got, son. Look at that. Pull him out. There you go. Look what you did there. Nice little bluegill, huh? Or a little sunfish.
Yay!
Good job, son. Look at him. Turn around. You always turn around to their back. And then you hold him down like that. See?
It's calm.
Yeah. He's calm. Get the hook out of him. There he is. See him on the camera? Here, you want to get a picture of you with him? See if you put your finger in his mouth. Put your finger in his mouth. And hold him with your thumb. Hold him with your thumb. Squish it like this. There you go. Now, ready? Hold him tight.
What? It's so slippery.
I know, he is slippery, isn't he? Here, let's throw him back, okay? There he goes.
Bye.
There he goes. There he goes. Good job, son.